Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back, but I'm doing a try-on haul, and not just any try-on haul. I'm doing what I ordered versus what I got. I love doing these on Instagram Reels and my TikTok. I think they're so fun. What it looked like on the model, what it looks like on me, if it was worth it, if it wasn't. Most of these are TikTok influence. So I saw it on a girl on TikTok, they look gorgeous, and then I bought them and I was like, what is going on? So I have stuff from Zara, Amazon. I have everything linked down below, and my Like to Know It as well. If you haven't checked out my Like to Know It, it's where I link all my outfits, all my clothes, all my DH finds. You know, I can't wink, but you know. And I just posted my Lulu review if you haven't seen that video already. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, subscribe here, do all the things, and let's get into it. Okay, this is from Amazon. It was like $45 and I found one on Prime. This is a size small, and as you can see, it's pretty just like oversized, or it's roomy. It buttons up all the way. I just have it a little bit open to show my necklaces, and it's this really pretty embroidered eyelet fabric. Has cuffs at the sleeves, and then it's supposed to come with a waist tie, but mine didn't. But it has like the opening here for the band, and it's not bad. It's just not my favorite look on me. I don't know, let me know what y'all think. They might be a little too big. It's kind of like swallowing me, but I don't hate it. For the most part, I know these tops aren't gonna work for me just because of my boobs. I feel like they just are always going to puff out and make me look weird. Quality wise, I wouldn't say this is like the best thing ever. I literally just got it in the mail. It is the right size, but it just doesn't seem long lasting. It's kind of cool for the summer. I think if you like this style, it's a good option. It's not particularly cheap. Like, I feel like this could be $10, but it's $19. So I think I'm gonna return this one. It's just not my favorite. I am actually not okay. Like, this is so pretty. The neckline goes up. Kind of just want to wear it like a little bit open, but the detailing on this dress is insane for it to be $40. Like, I just don't understand. Let me know what you guys think. Like, is this too much, like with the neckline and the sleeves and the embroidery and the buttons and the tie, or does this look classy AF? Because I feel like I need to keep. Like, yes, I could potentially wear it like this, but then I look like I belong in a period film, and that's just not who I am as a person. So let me know what y'all think. Okay, you guys, I don't know how to feel about this dress because it is gorgeous. Like, if I didn't know and you told me this was from a designer, I would believe you. It just feels really, really well made. It feels expensive. I feel like this is something, you know, someone very elegant and bougie would wear. But that being said, especially in this color, I feel like in the white I definitely could keep and see myself wearing for a special occasion, but this color kind of washes me out, and it's not like my favorite color. And it comes with a nice slip underneath that you can remove. That is the exact same color as the dress, which I appreciate. This is a size extra small, and it comes with the little waist tie that has 2 knots at each end. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely pretty impressed quality wise, but I just don't think this fit and color is necessarily for me. This little 2-piece set from Mango is so cute. I honestly only got the pants because I had a 30% off coupon. If not, I probably would have just gotten the top. They're both in a size small. It's a very lightweight knit. I am wearing a bra with it, but I think you're meant to wear this with like sticky boobs or fashion tape, but I'm just wearing it like that. And then these are super stretchy. They're pretty long on me because I'm 4'11", so that's to be expected, but I love the beachy casual look with the neutral tones. I think this is adorable. This is a viral Free People dupe set that everyone on TikTok is obsessed with. I will say it's way nicer than I was expecting. I'm 4'11", and I feel like usually sets like these are not very flattering. Not that this one is or isn't, it's just, at least it's comfy, you know. The pants are nice and thick, like a soft knit, and even though they're like longer on me, they do have like a band at the ankles. This to me is like an airport outfit, but it's just not my favorite. I don't know why they're like $40. The top It's pretty boxy. This would be such a good postpartum outfit, actually. The pocket is not hitting me in the right place. The neckline looks a little cheap. I don't know if I love this. I also like know this is a set, but I really do wish the pants and top would match each other color-wise. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, if I'm being honest, but it's not bad. It's super comfortable. If you haven't watched my Amazon wedding guest dress try on haul, definitely do so. But here's another win. I can't figure out how to tie the buttons with my nails in the back, and I am wearing the wrong bra and I have to steam it and all the things. This color is gorgeous. Drape neck, but it's high neck, wraps in the front. I think it's flattering, it's fun, perfect for a summer wedding, even like bachelorette party, a birthday. This is really, really cute, and the color options are great. Really don't like this one. I feel like on camera it looks a little better, maybe because it's a little overexposed, but in reality it's super wrinkled. Even though I steamed it a few days ago, the fabric just wrinkles easily. You can totally see my bra, so it's a little see-through. It has pockets, and it's meant to be kind of like a romper that looks like a dress. I just feel like it's just not very, it's not a good execution. I feel like for $30-something I could have gotten something way better quality from Princess Polly. And this is a size small. So, I don't know. Not a fan. Returning this for sure. Okay, besides the fact that you can totally see my bra, I think this is cute. I already had this top from Amazon. I also have it in red. I thought it would be cute for the 4th. I guess we have a theme with the eyelet and the white and the knit, but I'm just wearing it with these high-rise denim shorts. I feel like if I had something a little bit lower rise would be better. Thoughts? Definitely need different shorts, but I'm wearing it once again with cowboy boots. Okay, I love this outfit. The only thing I'm debating is whether or not the shorts are too tight. I like this with my husband, or they're making like the tank top look weird. But the tank top is from H&M, has like the prettiest or crochet, and then the shorts are actually also H&M, and then the boots are like some sort of Italian thing that I got from TJ Maxx. But what do y'all think? Do I need like maybe a different pair of shorts? Okay, this one is from ASOS. It's River Island and it's petite. I used to wear these a ton, like this silhouette of romper, when I was like a little chunky, just because I felt like this hit a lot. But now I don't think it's particularly flattering with this like bulging out. Either way, don't care, I'm keeping it. I wore this last night. I just love it so much. I think it's so pretty. Okay, this is more of like a lounge set than anything else for me. I don't see myself wearing this like out and about unless like I'm at the beach and I want to be comfy, something like that. This is a size small, and it is like about to hit my knee. Very oversized. The pants are not super stretchy. This is also a size small. I'm 4'11", like I'm gonna say 20 times today. The colors, I like the material. It's this like open knit material, if y'all can see that. So I'm gonna keep. This is such a cute set from Mango. The pieces do come separately. I got a small in both. It's such a stunning color combination, material, everything. I think it just looks very expensive, and the skirt is so stretchy. It has no zipper, just like a super stretchy band, which I love. And I love the fact that I could wear these like a different top with the skirt or a different bottom with the top and have like multiple outfits out of it. It's also on sale last time I checked, so I'm keeping this. I really love it. I'm wearing it with these raffia heels, and I feel like it just looks perfect. Yeah, I know the shirt is not flattering. I truly don't care. I love the shirt so much. Like the colors, the crochet, the opening, even though like my boobs never help, I think this is the cutest thing ever. I even wore it out already. Okay, this was hard for me because I know it's not flattering, but I want to keep it anyway. Very short. This is more of like a beach dress, but I just think like the shape does nothing for my body type. Then if I lower it too much, it makes me look super square. And then if I adjust the straps, it makes me look like it's too short. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep though. Okay, so I got this from TJ Maxx. This is actually Love Shack Fancy, which is a little too fancy because their dresses are like $300 to like $400, which is insane. But I got this from TJ Maxx for like $100. Initially I thought I would wear this to my daughter's baptism, which is how I justified the purchase. However, I wore it to like a wine tasting one day and my dad was like, girl, that's short. If your dad tells you something short, something short. I decided to keep it because I think it's like such a beautiful dress. It has like such pretty intricate detailing. I love the ruffles, but I'm short enough to where I can pull it off. I definitely wear like shorts when I wear this, like not noticeable, but like shapewear. I will say though, compared to that Amazon dress, the long sleeve one, I don't see the difference in quality. So amazing quality or anything, but I do think they come up with like really pretty feminine pieces. So I decided to keep this because it was a good find, but it's not something I would purchase full price for sure. Okay, this is mainly just the top because it's the only new thing. It's from Zara and I obviously got it because of the colors. Like I gravitate towards crochet, colorful things like this. The fit itself is not incredible, which like makes me want to return it. I don't know. Like as cute as it is, I think it's a little unflattering. And then the length is kind of weird too. Like maybe I could wear this with looser pants. Thoughts? I don't know. I even tried it with like a skirt. I didn't love it. I know I keep talking like I'm gonna return it, but knowing me, I won't. So make me return it if you think this is not cute. I just don't think it's like super flattering, especially when I have to like keep tucking it in, which is funny because that's exactly how the girl on TikTok showed it. Like she showed herself tucking it in. So an awkward length, but it's so pretty. I really like this set from Mango. I think I need to steam it for sure, but it's this wrap top and wrap skirt. You can buy them separately. The skirt is like a little bit longer than I usually go for. Like it hits me right above my knees. So it's like not necessarily like petite friendly, but I don't mind it. I think this is super cute. It looks nice. I love the color. It's like pulling way more light on camera, but it's like a true dark blush denim. I'm a fan. I think with wedges for like a night out or a date night, this would be so cute. So definitely keeping. I'm wearing like a real bra and you can't even tell for the most part, so that's nice. And then this ties in the back and then the skirt just ties at the front. So ready. This is not what I ordered, but even if it was, this is still would be a return. It's such a fail. It's so weird. Like it just looks like a parachute, like a piece of fabric that they just added ruffles and bows to. Just really hate it. Like it's so unflattering. I don't know what's going on with my Amazon choices lately for clothing. I feel like I just get carried away when I see TikToks of people because I'm like, oh, I look cute on them. When in reality, this is how it looks like on me. I look like a square, y'all. Like I have no body. Like this is not for me. So guys, that's everything for today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed it, if you like this kind of like switch up instead of just like a regular try on haul, to do a what I ordered versus what I got, and like a keep and return all in one video. It's a try on haul, a keep and return, and a what I ordered versus what I got. Let me know what you guys think, or if you just prefer my other try on hauls where I just hold up the piece, show you what it looks like on, and then move on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon on my next one. Bye.